Do you want to know how you can log into your Grok AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Grok AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for Grok AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can sign in with X, which is your Twitter account. So go ahead and click sign in with X. It will generate a URL and you can see that you must log into your Twitter or X. So go ahead and choose your Gmail, which is over here, or you can just add your email, phone number or username, press next, and then you can log in. So as we have chosen our Gmail, you can see that it will open up. This way you can log into your Grok.ai account. It's quite simple, guys. You can see that you have now logged into your Grok account. It's quite simple. Let me show it to you once again. All you need to do is open Grok AI, click sign in with X, and in a while you can see there is option of authorize app. Click on authorize app, and then it will validate your account, and you can see that the program is currently limited to X Premium Plus subscribers. So if you are an X Premium Plus subscriber, only then you can use Grok, and then you can use its AI too. This was a video on how you can log into your Grok AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.